We continue in the lower third position. If you are unfamiliar with the lower third position, there is a card in the top right of your screen for your convenience. Continuing in measure 12, here on the A string, 4 on the F natural, 1 on the D natural, shifting to the D string, 4 on the B flat, 1 on the G, 3 on the A, 4 on the B flat. In measure 13, shifting to 1 on the F natural, 2 on the G natural, and 4 on the A, remaining all of that on the D string. I'm going to start in measure 12. Continue, we have really the only crescendo and decrescendo Saint-Saëns wrote in his manuscript. So you start here in the lower second position, 0, 1, 2, back to the first position, 4 on the G, shifting back up to fourth position, 1 on the A, 3 on the B natural, 1 on the A. Measure 16 starts in fourth position, 1, then 0, 1, 3. That open string gives you a moment to shift back cleanly. And then 4 on the G natural, shifting back up to fourth position, 1 on the A, 2 on the B flat, 3 on the B natural, and then the recapitulation of the melody. I will start this in measure 16. This needs to be explained. You're ending fourth finger here in the upper second position on the E. The reason is, in 22, you remain in this position and do a clean cross over to the D string. Starting with the finger in 22, E as a 4, 2 on the D, 4 on the A on the D string, shifting up to fourth position, 4 on the C, 3 on the B, shifting back to 1 on the F natural. That's the same thing we had earlier in measure 13. 1 on the F natural, placing the 4 on the A, 2 on the G, then to the G string, C natural, shifting up to upper third position, 2 on the D, 4 on the E, shifting back to first position, 4 on the C, doing a slight marcato on the E, then finishing that measure in the first position. Measure 25, shifting back up to the upper third position, 2 on the A natural, remaining on the D string, 2, 4 on the B natural, stretching back just a little bit for the G natural, and then dropping the hand into a comfortable fourth position to finish out the piece on the D string. I will start in measure 22. As a special bonus, I'm going to play the piece with the most simple fingerings as possible. So follow along in the partition, mark your part. This is only available in the video. Here we go, starting at the beginning. Thank you for watching my video today on how to play the Swan from Carnival of the Animals, an easy version. Yes, this came as an idea from one of the subscribers, wanting to have a more accessible version of quite possibly the most famous melody ever written for the cello. And it is my pleasure and honor to present to you this wonderful arrangement. This partition is available for free on MuseScore. And if you learned something today, why don't you leave a like? Consider subscribing because this is something I do every single week. And if you know someone who would like to play an easy version of the Swan with a how-to lesson, please share this video with them. I would appreciate it. Thank you again for watching my video on how to play the Swan, an easy version. These are videos that also highlight content from this channel you might find interesting as well. And I hope you do stick around and learn with us on the Cello Coach channel. All right, that's it.